Look at what you're doing to me, look what you're doing to me. You make me feel like I'm crazy, make me feel like a fool. And I hurt, and I hurt, and I hurt inside.
One more, last time. 2, 3, go!
Look at what you're doing to
One
me.
more.
Look what you're doing.
Stop! 1, 2, 3, sing!
Look at what you're doing to me, look what you're doing to me. You make me feel like I'm crazy, make me feel like a fool. And I hurt, and I hurt, and I hurt inside.
Wala siya. Wala ba?
Nawala tayo na excited.
One more. 1, 2, 3, sing!
Look at what you're doing to me, look what you're doing to me. You make me look like I'm crazy, make me feel like a fool. And I hurt, and I hurt, and I hurt inside.
Okay, now sit down. Let's review your OPM medley.
Sir, pwede po mag-CR?
Yeah.
Kailangan ng breath flow. Ay, breath, tama. Breath flow.
Bilis ha.
Hanapin ako. Teacher.
Okay. Ayoko nang ay wala pa rin si ano. When you attack this, everything is very tense. No? Not tense, very okay, sorry. Very intense. So it's not tense, no? Intense. So when you're doing, look at what you're doing to me. So when you sing, same, ikaw talaga, ibang iba. Kailangan gano'n. Hindi siya pwedeng relax na, ikaw talaga, ibang iba. Because that's not the power singing I need from you guys. Alright? We're doing power singing lang.
Yun yung comment sa akin ni Gerard.
Ano?
May power issue daw ako.
Anong power issue? Can you give me an idea? Anong...
Parang nandun yung ano, parang kulang sa power.
Nandun yung intensity pero wala yung power. I think it's the pitch Might be the pitch. Or maybe, style mo kasi you're holding back imbis na bigay, masyadong pag ganon. Okay guys, listen up. Look at me. Sino kumanta?
Ay, ako po. Tinignan ko lang po yung tono, hindi ko alam.
Okay. Guys, are you ready for stardom? Ready na ba kayo to be big stars? Ay, hindi.
Yes!
Wala.
Yeah.
Are you ready for this? I mean, papunta na kayo. Your last 7 treks. As in, parang 7 steps na lang papunta doon sa taas. Ready na ba kayo umakyat doon? Are you all pumped up? Okay. The reason I'm asking you is I want this performance, when you perform this to me tonight, I want it like you're really pumped up to be big stars. Okay, now, tingnan natin yung ano. Ang hina. Sorry mahina That's it. That's the... Ay, sorry. Ay! Kaya naman sa inyo.
Someone we need you here.
Ang ganda na lang That's it Sige. Nakakulik ba? Ay, hindi yan. Hindi yata siya nakakonect. Wala yata. Hindi yata
Sa likod.
Yun doon usually.
Ito, sir.
Hindi. Wala yan. Wala siya
Here. But it's the...
No. Hindi yan That's not, No, it's okay. Sayang. I need the space because later on, I'll tell you how to do it. No, the piano room is so that we can perform it. Pero later, I need a space eh. Later, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gagawin eh. Okay? Try. Kunyari, malakas ha. Wala ding.
Pero bakit dun sa atin ang lakas?
Ano?
Kasi connected doon.
Hindi kasi paano, ibang ano to, ibang piano. Remember?
Iba yan, hindi yung ginagamit natin talaga.
Dun sa atin, yung ginamit.
Yun yung malaki. Ay, yung kahapon. Iba yun.
Connected siya sa speaker.
Wow, wow.
Ganda. Parang
Now that you're out of my life,
Diba,
so much better.
Look at what you do.
Anong number yun?
Ako ibang-iba.
Alam mo na
talaga yung mga
156 ha?
lalakas.
You make me look like you make me look
Look what you doing to me.
Posible. Siya.
It's not gonna work. Wala nung power. Walang power yung aking piano. Teka.
Ayan tuloy, bugoy.
Okay, can you just come near me for short while lang? Just to ano. Tayo na kayo. Para lang i-review ko lang yung parts nyo. Okay, this is your position.
Ganda talaga ng sulat.
Palagay ko sa akin.
Dito ka. To my left, from the left ha. Ikaw, Sen, Van, Chris, ay sorry. The Arnie. Siguro, di pa to.
Kalimutan, sir, pangalan ko.
The Arnie.
Lord.
Ah,
Ay, nababaliktad.
Miguel,
Chris.
Chris, and then Bugoy. Okay. This is our position.
Todo na ba yun, Hanson? Can you... Kasi I know why. Can you release it? Okay na. No. Ay, okay na? Yeah. Because it's just around the pole.
Yun, yun na. Lakas.
You were excited. Wow, it's so loud.
Yan, tingnan natin kung...
Sense around.
It's alright. Let's see. Kaya lang wala siyang... Oh, baka mali yung ating ano, function. Foot switch.
Ay, ulit. Teka, ulitin ko ah. Yes.
Sustain.